What's up, guys? So I wanted to do a quick little overview about what I do to keep all my stuff clean and polished. As you know, last year I got that tank painted, and I couldn't ceramic coat it or anything. I had to let the paint settle. And then winter happened, and then spring happened, and then pollen happened. So I didn't want to deal with it. I just let it go. But my intention was to do a full detail of that bike, and then this one again. So my method, obviously, hose the bike down. I just use dish soap. Um, hose both bikes down, wash everything off. You want to get all the grime and whatever wax or ceramic coat was on it before off that. After you do your main wash, I let it dry, and then what I do is I come in and I use clay bar kit. So it gets all the road grime and stuck crap off your paint. So that's my first step after you wash it. Then the second step is I'll go through with some isopropyl alcohol and water, like 25%, and wipe the whole thing down. And then depending on how many swirls or if there's any imperfections in the paint, these are the two compounds that I've used. I've used a lot of the expensive stuff, but bang for your buck, this is really hard to beat, especially this this complete polish here. Really hard to beat. And then obviously you have your different various polishing pads. So for my instance, when I did with this bike, I mainly just used this pad and then the complete polish along with my torque over. So after you polished it, and then you're going to go back through again with your isopropyl and wipe it all down. And then for your coating, what I found works pretty good, is this Glossite graphene ceramic coating, and then this spray. So this bundle, and then you obviously get the applicator pads and everything. I think it's like 90 bucks. It's not too bad. And if you use the code from VinWiki, it gives you the little bundle deal. So you apply this, and then obviously you want to wear your gloves. It gives you gloves too. And then you wipe it down, let it sit for a couple hours, reapply it, and then you can't let it get wet for, I think it's like 3 days or a week or something like that. As you can see, it's pouring out rain. Otherwise, I would have had this out in the sun so you could see it. So, but the results speak for themselves. So, this obviously paint job's 6 years old now, about 20,000 miles. As you can see, it is perfect. This bike also, because I have done the gloss on this. It was a couple years ago I did it, but I mean, I did the frame. I did pretty much every painted surface on this bike. So when I did it this time, I just reapplied it to the stuff. I didn't do the swing armor anymore. But yeah, it really brings out that color. And it's funny because without light, you really can't see all the sparkles in the FTR paint job. As far as the Challenger, we went, like I said, we didn't go quite as heavy with the sparkles, but you can still see it. And then obviously all the carbon. So this is clear coat, same as that clear coat. So I took the bags off, polished everything, and then ceramic coated everything. I'll put a little video in the description, or video in here. Back when I still had my other matte finish fairings on here, I coated those as well, and you'll be able to see the water just fall right off. So the benefit of doing this ceramic graphite coating is it makes it so much easier to clean. When you do get it dirty, everything just wipes off. The bugs really don't stick to it. And yeah, it's just overall maintenance. And obviously it lasts, depending on how much you ride in the rain and how many times you're washing it, it'll last up to like 2 years or something like that. It's really not that big of a deal. Just spend an afternoon doing it. And yeah, so that's how I keep these pigs clean. I'll throw a link in the description for most of the stuff you can get on Amazon. Oh, and the microfiber rags. I found that the Kirkland microfiber rags, which you can get on Amazon, believe it or not, is the best deal for your money. These things are super soft and they're not expensive, and you get a huge stack of them. And then for everyday cleanup, obviously you can just use your typical quick detail. You don't have to use anything specific. Yeah, see you guys. Well, I couldn't end it like that. Let's take a look at this shine.